Ich liebe Kaffee. Und Musik. Wait, did you hear that? 2 powerful German sentences already.
By the end, you'll confidently say what you love in German.
And you'll answer real questions out loud without thinking too much.
Stay with us till the end for a full mini conversation.
Let's start simple. The key verb is lieben. Say this with me. Ich liebe Musik. It means I love music.
Pronunciation tip: ich sounds like ich, soft from the throat.
Liebe. Stress the lie. Liebe. Example sentence. Ich liebe Pizza.
Totally understandable. Your turn, learners. Say ich liebe blank. Nice. Confidence already.
Quick question. What do you love more, coffee or tea? Now answer in German, learners. Nice.
Say one sentence. Ich liebe Kaffee or ich liebe Tee.
Great choice. Both sound perfect. Want more emotion? Add one word. The word is wirklich.
Say it, learners. Ich liebe wirklich Musik. It means I really love music.
Pronunciation tip. Wirklich. Don't rush it. Wirklich. Germans drop the hard G at the end.
Example sentence. Ich liebe wirklich Fußball.
Very German choice. Say it about something you love a lot, learners. Yes, strong and natural.
Now actions. Use ich liebe es plus zu plus verb. Example sentence. Ich liebe es zu reisen.
It means I love to travel. Pronunciation tip. Zu is short. Zu. Reisen, reisen.
Simple example sentence. Ich liebe es zu lernen.
Same here. Complete this sentence aloud, learners. Ich liebe es zu... Nice. That sounded smooth.
Let's do it faster. Don't overthink, just speak, learners. Ich liebe es zu lesen. Perfect rhythm.
Important difference now. Like is mögen, love is lieben. Ich mag Kaffee. It means I like coffee.
Ich liebe Kaffee. It means I love coffee. Pronunciation tip. Mag is short and strong. Liebe stays soft.
Choose one feeling, learners. Say ich mag or ich liebe. Yes, that choice sounded natural.
Time for questions. This one is very useful. Was liebst du? It means what do you love? Pronunciation tip. Was, like was, du is soft, not do.
Now I'll ask a short question and you answer aloud, learners. Was liebst du? Nice answer. Clear and confident.
In a few minutes, you'll do a full conversation alone. No subtitles, no help, just you speaking German.
One more important use, learners. Talking about people. Ich liebe meine Familie. It means I love my family.
Pronunciation tip. Meine, meine. Stress the first syllable. Now say who you love. Beautiful sentence.
Now answer quickly, learners. Short sentences only. Liebst du Musik?
Ja, ich liebe Musik. Or, nein, ich mag Musik.
Excellent control. Quick fix. Don't say ich liebe to learn. Correct is ich liebe es zu lernen. Always remember es zu.
Say it once correctly, learners. Yes, you nailed it.
Now the challenge. Listen once, then you answer, learners.
You can pause the video if you want.
Hallo, was liebst du?
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Ich liebe Musik. Und du?
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Ich liebe es zu reisen.
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Liebst du Kaffee?
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Ja, ich liebe Kaffee.
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Was liebst du wirklich?
Pause the video here and give the answer.
Amazing! That was a real German conversation.
You can now say what you love in German: objects, actions, and people.
Comment one sentence you said today. Subscribe for more confident A1 German speaking. You're doing great. Keep speaking German. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.